Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've posted a tutorial, but I'm still here and I'm trying to get back into the groove of things. There's just some things I had to take care of first. Today I have this really fun nail art that I did using the nail art tools that were provided to me in the February My Mani box. If you'd like to see how I came about with this nail art, keep on watching. To get things started, I'll be going in and using 2 thin coats of AEngland's The Most Happy, which was limited edition for this mani box, and I'm kind of biased against any purple polish, so you guys should know that I am totally loving this base color. And as I always do, I'll be going in and applying 1 generous coat of Glisten Glow's top coat, which helps to seal in my base color and help the mani to dry quickly before I start to do any type of nail art. Now that my base has dried, I'm going to go in and apply a thin coat of Unpeel Off base coat, which also helps to apply the gold foil, which I'll be using next. So this is the first time that I've used any type of foil for nail art. I've seen many other people use it, and for whatever reason I've just never given it a try. So seeing that it was included in this box, it made me excited for my first time using it. And as you can see, it came in this cute little jar, and all you have to do is basically tear off some pieces, and seeing as the Unpeel Off base coat is tacky, you just adhere it to your nail. The gold foil in the places which I had wanted them, I'm going to go and apply some of Girly Bits Border Patrol around the cuticle of my nails, which will help to make the cleanup process of my nail art easier. For the stamping, I'll be going in and I'll be using this MoYou London's Sci-Fi collection number 5 stamping plate, which I was excited to receive because I actually don't own any of these plates in my collection. And as you can see, it does come with a blue film on it, which does need to be removed before you can attempt to do any stamping nail art. I'll also be using MDU's silver stamping nail polish along with my favorite stamper, which is the clear jelly big bling stamper for this nail art. Now that I've got my cuticles all cleaned up, I'll be going in and applying one last and final coat of Glisten Glow's top coat. And here's the final look of this fun and actually easier than I thought nail art that I had to share with you guys today. As always, I just want to say thank you for those who continuously stay and watch my channel, and to those of you who are new, welcome and stay tuned for more nail art. And as always guys, stay glamorous.